Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, welcome to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get a quick transcription of your audio file for free using your mobile phone. I will introduce an AI tool with the help of which you can transcribe any audio file within seconds using your Android phone with TalkBack. The best part is the application is 100% accessible with screen reader. Those who don't know about audio transcription is a technology which allows you to convert your audio files into text. Let's say you have a conversation, or let's say you have an important lecture, but you don't have enough time to listen to the lecture. In that case, you can transcribe that lecture and read as the text. Apart from this, you can get transcriptions of interviews and any audio file. Before starting the video, those who are interested to learn Python programming, they are invited to join our Python adventure course, which will be starting at the mid-July of 2025. If you're watching this video at August 2025, don't worry, check out our website. We will also start the Python adventure course later. Besides this, you can also contact us for personalized session on any programming or non-programming courses. Now let me tell you how you can transcribe any audio file. To transcribe any audio file, you need to download Tech Freedom for Visually Impaired, which is available on the Google Play Store. We will also share the link in the video description below, as well as on our official WhatsApp channel. The WhatsApp channel link is given in the video description below. After downloading this application, you need to create one account, and if you're a free member, then you might face some advertisement. To skip those, you need to upgrade to the TF+. In this Tech Freedom application, you will get more than 25 features in just one application, which really helps in the life of visually impaired. Without further delay, let's see how we can transcribe any audio. Step 1. Open the app.
Tech Freedom. With Tech Freedom.
Step 2. Swipe until you find Transcribe Audio or Audio Transcription.
More options. App Back. Assistant. Audio Transcription. Button.
Click here.
Audio Transcription.
Next, we need to upload a file or import the audio. Swipe from left to right.
Audio Transcript. Import Audio. Button.
Click on Import Audio
Downloads.
and choose the audio file. After importing the file, it will start automatically transcribing our audio. Let's wait for few seconds or minutes, and our audio will be transcribed properly.
Audio Transcription.
Our audio transcription has been finished. Now let's see.
More options. Button.
Under more options, you will find
Pop-up window. Copy.
Copy.
Translate. Share. Stop recording.
That's
Share.
it.
Translate. Copy. Audio
So let's see
Transcription.
what's there in the
Transcription.
transcription.
Heading. Hey, stop record. Hey everyone, welcome back to V Tech Academy. Today we are talking about something seriously cool, Auto GPT versus Agent GPT. What are they and why is everyone talking about them? Let's start with Auto GPT. It's like Chat GPT. Audio Transcription.
So
Tech Freedom.
this is the way you can transcribe any audio file. You can also transcribe your live recorded audio. To do this, swipe right until you find voice recorder.
Color. Doc. A-paper. Imagery. Instant. Link. Say. My play. Navigate. News. Notepad. Objective. Passwords. Scene disk. Text to. Text trans. TFA. Video descript. Voice recorder. 320 kilobits. Voice recorder.
And here just record something. Let's do.
Recording. Drop down menu. Bitrate. Drop down. Start recording. Button. Pause. Start recording. Button.
Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this YouTube channel.
The recording has been successfully saved.
So now after recording, you will
Pause.
find
Button.
this
Visible.
button,
Play. Button.
play button,
Transcribe. Button.
transcribe button. So just click here
Getting.
and let's wait for a few seconds.
Audio transcription. Hi guys, thank you for watching.
Okay, here is the transcribed version.
Audio transcription. More options. Transcription. Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this YouTube channel.
Okay, so this is the way you can use this audio transcription feature to transcribe your audio into text format. That's it guys for the day. If you find this content useful, hit the like button and share this video with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. After subscribing, press the bell icon so that you will never miss any upload. If you have any questions, feel free to ask into the comment section. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.